In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sequence of serial numbers using Microsoft Excel. This is a handy tool that can save you a great deal of time when handling data sets that require unique identifiers, making your workflow smoother and more efficient. Let's dive right into the process and break it down into simple, manageable steps so you can easily follow along. First off, you'll need to access your Microsoft 365 account. Simply navigate to your Office 365 dashboard. When you're there, look for the Excel application. You'll click on it, and this action will take you directly to a browser. This is a convenient feature for those who like to work in an online environment without having to download any software on your device. Once you're in Excel, you'll be prompted to create a new workbook. Click on Create Blank Workbook. This option will open up a fresh Excel workbook where you'll have a blank canvas to apply your serial numbers technique. It's always exciting to start with a clean slate. Now let's get into placing your serial numbers. Look at your spreadsheet and click on the cell where you'd like the first serial number to appear. Choosing the right starting point is crucial because the numbers will spill downwards, so make sure it's positioned properly for your data layout. To generate the sequence of numbers, we'll use a very powerful and simple formula called sequence. In the selected cell, you're going to type the following formula exactly as shown, static sequence 10. The number 10 is merely an example and represents the number of serial numbers you wish to generate. Feel free to replace it with any number you need for your project. This formula instructs Excel to create a sequence of numbers over 10 rows, beginning with the default starting point, which is number 1, and incrementing each number by 1 as it fills the cells below. Once you've carefully typed your formula, press the Enter key. Magically, Excel will populate the numbers 1, 2, 3, and so on right down the column based on the initial cell you selected. These numbers will continue for as many rows as you've specified, making it a breeze to generate serial numbers in any quantity you need. And there you have it. You've just harnessed the power of Excel to create a series of serial numbers automatically. It's a great skill to have whether you're working on database entries, inventory management, or simply organizing lists. With this method, you now have a reliable and efficient tool at your fingertips. Thanks for joining me today, and happy excelling.